Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children. We welcome to our online teaching academy Ekalaiva. Hi children, how are you? All are fine? Yes. Children, in the previous class we discussed what are simple present tense. Today we are going to discuss present continuous tense. Shall we move to the topic? What is the topic we are going to discuss today? Present continuous tense. Present continuous tense means what at present what you are doing. At present I am teaching. So teaching is simple, that is present continuous, and you are listening. Our listening is present continuous. Okay. The present continuous tense. We use the present continuous tense when we talk about some actions. Okay. That is happening now at present, what we are doing now. The action started earlier and is going on as we speak. Okay. Example, I am flying a kite. The action started earlier, but I am continuing still, I am making the kite fly. Okay. And Rani is singing a song. Rani is still, she is singing. She started singing from morning, but still she is singing. So it comes under present continuous tense. They are playing in the park. They are playing in the, children are playing in the park. So are playing, they started playing from morning or from afternoon. Okay, we don't know the timing, but they started earlier, still they are continuing the playing. So it comes under present continuous. And the form of the present continuous tense is am or is or are plus base form of the verb plus ing. Okay. He is reading a story book. Here is reading is present continuous tense. Okay. Is plus read is the base form of the verb and plus ing, that is called present continuous. Am or is or are plus base form of the verb plus ing. And here we are waiting for a bus. Are is linking verb and base form of the verb is wait. Wait plus ing. Are plus wait is base form of the verb and plus ing. Then I am studying for a test. Am is a linking verb and study is the base form of the verb, and we are adding ing to the base form of the verb. You understood? And we use the present continuous tense when something is happening for a short period of time. Example, we are staying here for 2 weeks. We are not staying here for this year fully. We are going to stay here only for 2 weeks, short period of time. So at that time we use present continuous. And I am taking violin lessons during my term break. Only break time we are taking this. Only for the short period of time I am playing violin. So we use present continuous tense for the short period of time. Okay. We also use the present continuous tense when we talk about changes that are happening. Okay. Summers in India are getting hotter. Nowadays the climate is changing. So when the changes happens, we use present continuous tense. For example, summer is changing now. Here summers in India are getting hotter, so hot now. So at the time we will use present continuous are getting. And traffic is increasing nowadays. Nowadays traffic is increasing. So is increasing is present continuous tense. And underline the verbs in the present continuous tense in these sentences. Shall we practice now? Here my cousin is singing in the bathroom. Which is subject? My cousin is subject. And which is verb? Is linking verb. And which is the base form of the verb? Sing. And we are adding ing to the base form of the verb. So is singing. Is singing is the present continuous tense here. Okay. Then he is wearing a new shirt. He is the pronoun subject and is wearing is the present continuous tense. So, is wearing. Okay. Susan and Anne are eating sandwiches. Here we have the subjects Susan and Anne. Okay. And are eating. So, are plus base form of the verb eat plus ing. So, this is the present continuous tense here. Are eating. The girl is drawing a picture. What the girl is doing? The girl is drawing a picture. The girl is the subject here and is drawing is the present continuous tense. The verb is in the present continuous tense form. Okay. Then the children are playing a game. Which is the verb here? Are playing. And what form of tense it is? Whether it is a simple present or present continuous. If we see ing to the base form of the verb, it is present continuous tense. Are playing. Okay. Then I am going to the park. Am going. Okay. Is the present continuous tense. And we are walking to school. Are walking. Okay. We are walking to school. Are walking is the present continuous tense and they are parking the car. Are parking. You understood this? And negative sentences. In negative sentences, we use not. Okay. For example, she is speaking. She is speaking is a positive sentence. If I say not speaking, she is not speaking, then it is a negative sentence. Not plus base form of the verb. Example, Hiya is not sleeping now. Here we are using not before the base form of the verb. So, it is explained that we can make a negative sentence in the present continuous tense by adding not after the linking verb is, am, are, and the action word ends with ing. Here is, are, am is a linking verb and not, if we use not before the base form of the verb, then it is negative sentence and we are adding ing to the main verb. Which is the main verb here? Sleep, wait, read. So, we are adding ing to the base form of the verb sleep, wait and read. Hiya is not sleeping now. We are not waiting for uncle. I am not reading a story book. Okay. Rewrite these sentences by adding not in the correct places. Shall we practice now? It is getting colder. This is a positive sentence. How will you change the sentence into negative? You should add not before the base form of the verb. It is not getting colder. It is not getting colder. Then the tree is growing very fast. Here is growing is present continuous and before grow is a main verb, is a linking verb. Before the base form of the verb we should add not. So, the tree is not growing very fast. Understood? Next, Meena is drinking apple juice. What we should add? Not before drinking. So, Meena is not drinking apple juice. Understood? Next, we are watching a film. We should add not before watching. We are not watching a film. Okay. Next sentence is, it is raining heavily today. It is raining heavily means it is a positive and we should add not before raining. So, it is not raining. It is not raining heavily today. Understood? And questions in the present continuous. Okay, how will you ask frame questions when you use present continuous tense? We can ask questions about an action that started earlier and it is still continuing. Okay, let us see examples. We can ask a WH question. What are the WH question words? What, when, why? And WH question word at the beginning. For example, what are you cooking? So, what are you cooking? Are cooking, before that you are adding WH question word. Okay. I am cooking dal and rice. Who is singing? Rachna is singing. So, Rachna is the subject here, he is singing is present continuous tense form. Where are they meeting? They are meeting at the bus stop. Here we are using the WH question word before the present continuous tense. Understood? And we can ask a yes or no question which expects the answer yes or no. We can also give short answers to questions in the present continuous tense. Is Rohan painting a portrait? If we ask, what will be the answer? Yes, I do. Yes, the Rohan paints. Or you will say, no, he did not paint. So, is Rohan painting a portrait? Yes, Rohan is painting a portrait. Or in the short form you can say, yes, he is. Are you watering the plants? So, you are asking is or and what is the answer? Yes or no type. Okay. No, I am not watering the plants, or no, I am not. Are you watching the match? No, we are not watching the match. No, we are not. Okay. When we use yes, that is or question, the answers will be yes or no. Okay, in the present continuous tense form. And we also use the present continuous tense to talk about something we have planned for the future. For example, we are flying to Delhi next week. Next week we are planning to go to Delhi. So, when we talk about the future, we will be using present continuous tense. We are playing our first match next Saturday. So, we are talking about the future next Saturday. Not this Saturday, next Saturday. So, we are talking about the future here. So, we are using the present continuous tense, are playing. Then, Prakash is leaving tomorrow morning. Tomorrow, it is a future tense, and is leaving is a present continuous tense. So, we use the present continuous tense to talk about something we have planned for the future. Understood? Thank you, children. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates.